Hello everyone, this is Akang Suman here. Now we are going to solve the question based on the acceleration, total acceleration. Okay. Now in the question it is given that a toy is spun horizontally with a tangential acceleration. The tangential acceleration is given, that is I'm denoting it as at, that's equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay. At this instant, the tangential velocity V tangential velocity is given, that is 3 meter per second. Okay, and the total acceleration is 14 meter per second. Total acceleration is given, that is 14 meter per second square. Okay, what is the radius of the toy? You have to tell. Now the toy is going to be rotated about that point O. Okay, having the tangential velocity, tangential acceleration, and the total acceleration. And we know that if the total acceleration is here, that means the radial acceleration, we all know that it would be towards the center along the radius, that is denoted by AR. Okay, so this is tangential acceleration, this is radial acceleration, so total acceleration is here. Now we have to calculate the radius of the toy. Okay, how can we calculate? First we need to calculate the radial acceleration, that is equal to V square upon R. Okay, that is our first equation. From here we can calculate the radius, but first we need to calculate the radial acceleration. So here you can see that the total acceleration is given, tangential acceleration is given, that we know that A is equal to under root of radial acceleration का square plus tangential acceleration का square. We all know that. Okay, so here I'm going to square it. A square is equal to AR square plus AT square, and acceleration square means 14 square. Radial acceleration is what we have to calculate it, plus tangential acceleration is given, that is 2 meter per second square, that is it. So when we calculate it, we will get 13.85. so the radial acceleration would be 13.856, 13.85 meter per second square. Now we have calculated the radial acceleration, and it is easy to find out the radius of the toy by putting this value in this equation number 1. So when we put equation number 1, we can use from equation 1, we can see here that 13.85 is equal to V square. V is given, yeah, 3 meter per second. V square upon R. Now from here we can calculate the radius of the toy. R would be equal to, that is a point. Okay, so that is 9 upon 13.85. So you will get the 0.649, 0.649 meter, and according to the option you can see here that option B is the correct answer. Now you are able to understand how you can calculate the radius using the accelerations. Okay, now first we need to understand what is the relation between the total acceleration, radial acceleration, and the tangential acceleration. Then everything you can, if you can correlate to each other every terms, then it is easy to find out the terms that is going to be asked in the question, whether it is radius or whether it is a velocity. Everything you can calculate, but you need to correlate every term to each other. Okay, so the solution of this question, I hope you will understand.